Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 extended course. In this video, we will be covering syllabus topic E1, which is about number, module E1.1 and part 3. Rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be written in the form a over b, where a and b must be integers. For example, 2 over 3. Now you can see, as I'm saying 2 over 3 mean rational number is a number in which you write the number in a fraction form, where both denominator and numerator must be integer or whole number. In the same way, 5 over 7, 24 over 5, it could be minus as well, so minus 31 over 5, minus 56 over 3, etc. On the contrary, you can think of irrational number cannot be written in the form of a over b. You will be alright very shortly when we will be discussing the rules of rational and irrational numbers. Right, so rule number 1 says all integers are rational number. Means that if you have 3, so according to the rule, it's a rational number because 3 can be written as 3 over 1 is the same thing. 3 over 1 is once again 3. So it means that all integers or whole number are rational number. In the same way, if I write like 7, 7 is a rational number because 7 over 1 is a rational number. In the same way, if I write minus 8, let's suppose, it can be written like minus 8 over 1. It means that all integers or whole number, either positive or negative, are all rational number because they can be written in the form of a over b, which is mean that b in that case is always 1, which doesn't change the value at all. Now rule number 2 says all terminating decimal numbers are rational number. What it means, let's suppose I take a decimal number 2.1. now it's a terminating because it is ending, it has some limit, it's not like going on and on and on here. It is ending at 1. It means that it can be written in a over b. What does that mean? Means that it can be written 21 over 10. As we know that whenever you want to change terminating decimal into a fraction form, in place of decimal you place 1 and the number of digit after decimal replace with the zeros. So 1 is only one digit after decimal, so it's 1 1 causing a 0 in the denominator. So you can write 2.1 as 21 over 10. Now you can see 21 is an integer, 10 is an integer. It means that 2.1 is a rational number because it can be written in a over b form. In the same way, if I take a bit longer decimal, let's suppose 3.568. now once again, because it is terminating, it is having some end, it's not going on and on and on. It means that it is a rational number because 3.568 can be written as, instead of decimal we place 1 and we have 3 digits on the right side of decimal, so we'll write 3 zeros here. That's it. So it means that 3568 over 1000 equals to 3.568. it means 3.568 is a rational number because 3568 is an integer or a whole number, and 1000 is an integer or whole number, right? So I hope it makes sense. And then it says or all decimal number with some repeating pattern or rational number as well. Repeating pattern mean if you have like 3.111111 and so on, it is keep going, it's not terminating. Still we are saying that this type of number, this type of decimal number is a rational number. Well, in some other video I will show you a technique how to convert it back, but at the moment just remember, if it has some pattern and it is repeating, keep on repeating, it's a rational number. Let's suppose, take another example, if I write 4.272727 and so on. See, it's a pattern once again after decimal. 27 is repeating itself again and again and again. It means that this number is a rational number again. Now in the last and final rule is rule number 3 about rational and irrational number. It says under root of all non-square number are irrational number. What does it mean? See, it says under root or square root of non-square number. Non-square mean you can write like 3. 3 is a non-square number. It is an irrational number. Why? Because if you use a calculator to find out the under root of 3, that will be equals to 1.732050808 and so on. See, it is perfectly a an irrational number because first of all it is non-terminating decimal. Its decimal places are never ending. Other thing is that even if it is non-terminating and it has no pattern repeating, see, it has no pattern at all. It means that under root of, and it is a story with all integer other than the non-square. If you take the under root of 5, it is something like 2 point something, keep going on without, I mean, it's not terminating and there is no pattern repeating. In the same way 7, 8 and 9, not 9 because 9 is a square number, right? If you take the under root of 9, that will be equal to 3. So it is not, we're not talking, because it is a rational number, not irrational number. So it means that under root of all non-square number are irrational numbers. Keep in mind what I'm saying, under root of non-square number. In the same way, if I take square root of square number, which is let's suppose this time take 16, which is equals to 4, and 4 is a rational number because it can be written like 4 over 1. So it means that we are only allowed to take under root of non-square number. That will give you a irrational number. In the next video we will be doing exercise 6 of chapter number 1. So see you there.